DC, sing along with me.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
Early.
Gonna find
Keep the promise. Keep the promise.
and take it.
This side, let's go.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find.
Let me see your umbrellas up as high as you can. Pass them like this. Now
Her name is Roxanne Hanna-Ware, and she is a prolific poet from Oakland, California, living with HIV and thriving. Please, let's welcome the spoken words of Roxanne Hanna-Ware.
What's inside of me, it screams loudly, but it doesn't make a sound. It hurts the heart. It starts first with me. It's threatened fear of being poor, torn apart from my family. It possibly isolates others. It cautions my would-be lovers. See, I am lost while it has found a home, and it runs throughout my chromosome. It freely shackles my spirit.
The international AIDS community is my community. I am infected, affected, impacted, invested, ready. Gotta keep the promise.
I am wanting to receive love, respect, and the quality of what this life has to give. But instead of these words spewing out to be heard, what's inside of me, that shit screams loudly. It says, you are positively HIV. You are positively HIV. You are positively HIV. And sometimes I wish I didn't have to listen. And sometimes I wish somebody would just listen. But most often I am hoping, wishing, praying, peace of mind would stay and set my spirit free to soar. Despair no more. I'm surviving instead of struggling. I'm here. I refuse to be in fear. I intend to live. I am wanting to receive love, respect, and the quality of what this life has to give. So let it be. I know you hear me, please. Every day, I am living with what's inside of me. Now I'm gonna ask, what are you living with inside of you?